code Python, we have to understand the Python basically, first of all, to clean and cleanse the data. So where you have to apply the data pre-processed things. So here for that, you can go with the Python programming. And for the Python programming, to develop a modern AI, so first of all, you have to understand the fundamentals. So the fundamentals, in that fundamentals, you will have the object-oriented programming, and then we'll talk about functions, we'll talk about classes, we'll talk about efficient coding, how you need to efficiently code at the Python syntaxes. So these are the Python fundamentals. And coming to the data structures, where we will have the list, tuple, dictionaries, and sets, different type of data types. So where we'll explore these data types, and also we can use the optimal performances. So optimizing the performance, how we are going to optimize the performance with the data structures. And in advanced concepts, we can also cover, as I mentioned, object-oriented programming, that is OOPS concepts, and also how you are handling the exceptions and regular expressions. So these are the essentials for Python. So where you have to just get some understanding on it. So how the system is working. So this is entirely for Python developers. If you are interested in the Python development, yeah, you can explore more into this particular advanced concepts. And basic essential libraries for Python is like, where we can go with NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn. So these four are basic essentials for understanding the Python. Like first step on data pre-process step. So you have to get these libraries understandable. So these are the main essentials for entire Python core Python system. So why NumPy? NumPy is having, like, anyone here work with NumPy Pandas? Sorry, I can't see the chat. If you people are okay, you can unmute yourself and let me know if you are good in this NumPy or Pandas or whatever. Yeah, okay, I will take it as no, and we'll proceed. So in the essentials, like whatever the libraries I taught, NumPy, everyone talks about in NumPy. It's for ND arrays and other concepts. But for my understanding, I will more focus the NumPy on math and stat functions, because we have so many mathematical and statistic functions. So where you have to understand the stat models before you deep diving into the NumPy. And the Pandas is for manipulation, where you have to clean the data, and you have to remove the null values. You have to extract the data from different type of sources, where we have the CSV files, Excel files, SQL files. So there are so many different type of files. The Pandas is nothing but you have to engage with the data. So for the data, where you are collecting the data. So for example, I can take as Kaggle as an example. So from the Kaggle, you can find out different type of data sets, and you can manipulate the data using Pandas. And also Matplotlib and Seaborn. I have mentioned only Matplotlib here, where we can also discuss on Seaborn. So this is for data visualization. So these visualizing data that you can go with different type of graphical representations, right? For example, scatter plot, bar plot, histogram, and so many different plots, line plot. We have so many different plots. So using those plots, you can able to understand how data is working on the past few years, or if you have the data for particularly different type of products, so you can understand how the data is working for different type of products. So these things you can do it in the Python.